Hey, social media endorsers. Today I want to show you how to make sure your profile is public and a couple of steps that you can follow to be the most helpful and the most productive in social media influencing. So the first thing I want you to do is come to this drop down arrow on the top and let's check your settings. The first thing you want to do is scroll down to settings and make sure that your privacy is set to be public. So you can edit that here. Your choices are, of course, public. You can choose to have only your friends see your posts. You can also exclude some friends from seeing your posts. And you can also click only me, which is great in a setting where you're going to be staging a post. But for this example, I want to make sure you are public. And then I want to show you how to make sure you're getting notifications for the business that you're following. So come over here to the business of your preference and make sure that you are liking and following the page. And then you get a drop down menu also in your cell phone. If this is your cell phone tutorial, you would also have a pop up. And instead of default, you want to see this first. So anytime there's a change in this business's profile, a status update or a notification that comes through, you're going to see it first in your newsfeed. And from here, let's jump right into how to share this page with all of your friends. So you want to come right down here to community, invite your friends. There's a brand new feature where you can select all and then send the invites. And that makes a tremendous impact for this business. From here, I want to show you how to share a post. This is one of the easiest things you'll do. You want to come right down here to share. And you just share this post to your wall public. This is going to increase the footprint of this post tremendously for the business. Also, it's like a personal endorsement of the business from you. From here, I want to show you how to go back to your main page and make just a little bit more noise. As a social media influencer, you want to capture this post and share it one more time in a group. When you share in a group, all of the people in the group are going to, organically about a quarter of the people in the group are going to see the message. So you pick your group and you give it a share, and that dramatically increases the footprint of the original post. And if everyone's doing this, we can have quite a tremendous impact. And one of the things that I would like to do in this setting is take the opportunity to follow these steps. Let's look at how many shares a business has before and after. So when the segment is over, we'll go back and look at the stats on that post now that everyone shared the post, and we'll see exactly how many people saw that post. The only other piece I want to mention for you social media influencers is make sure you don't get overzealous and overshare. You can put yourself into Facebook jail that way. When you share the posts, you only want to share them just a few times. Otherwise, they're going to tag you as a spammer. Your influence is very powerful. Less is more. Thanks for listening, and I hope you have a great day.